Hello from Slovenia again. I already put white base down because I want to do a flower dip with the same colors as we did in last, not just mine, a video that my stepdaughter Marina poured with me, and we did these two flower dips. They are dry and I just love this those details because they are just gorgeous. You see this pearl white with these colors, I just love it. And this is Marina's first dip and I am just in love with this flower because this, you see this center, I wish I could paint this because just gorgeous and beautiful details too. So sorry for my dogs, but not sorry, these are my dogs playing on the here in front of my studio on fresh air, so they enjoy and I enjoy too when I'm hearing that they are okay and healthy and everything else, you know, if you watch my channel already. So, and I will use the same order as we did last time, I must say. So first we did Bordeaux red and then metallic gold. And then this orange red, I think. Oops. This is Marina's color choice, and I love it, really did, so I will try, to do it again with the white background. And this is yellow ochre. And and what is this? I didn't mix my paint and I washed inside of this I should have go here these squeeze bottles because I get some blobs. I had some blobs, so I have to do something about it, and I hope that this will be still okay. And I will just go with this Bordeaux once again because I think that I pretty much lost it and I want to have it. So I don't know, maybe this wasn't a good idea, but I think that I should do this. And again I will cover my sides with white and just to wet these sides a little bit, not the whole canvas, just the sides. I don't want to drip here, so I will do this little bit off camera. Sorry for that, but I think that I did pretty much nice round shape, so I don't want to mess it too much if I will be able to, because sometimes I just can't. So oops, and I did it again. I think that I pressed down this one too much. So different. But I love it. This part here a little bit, wow. I love it. I can't say different because I love it. Maybe here, I don't know what I did here, but something I did because I lost some shape here, but I still love it, so I will leave it like it is because just don't want to mess it too much. So oops, sorry. You see what I'm talking about? This is the part that bothers me, but everything else is just gorgeous. This part here is I don't know, I think that it's beautiful, or just I think so, but I do. Tell me what you think. Subscribe if you didn't yet, comment, or just give me your thumbs up. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!